Ever click this red close button on your Mac and realize the app is still running? Trust me, you are not alone. This confuses almost everyone switching from Windows. Let us find out why closing a window doesn't quit the app and what macOS is actually doing in the background. On Windows OS, when you close the window of any running application, boom, the app exits and the process ends. But on macOS, the red button just closes that specific window instance. However, the app processes stays active, managed by systems WindowServer and AppKit frameworks. That's why you can reopen it instantly. The app never really quit. Let us see why macOS works this way. macOS is based on Unix. It treats app more like long-running services. Instead of quitting every time, app just go idle. And with features like AppNap, macOS automatically pauses background apps that aren't active to save battery and CPU. Even though the app stays open, macOS is super smart about managing memory. It uses memory compression to shrink idle apps so they use less RAM. That's why reopening an app is lightning fast. It is already sitting in the memory, ready to go. Having said that, if you still want to fully quit an app and free all of its resources, you have three ways. First one is go to the menu bar, click the app name and choose quit. Second one is press the command plus Q while the app is open, and the third one is right click the dock icon and select quit. So the next time your app stays open after you close its window, don't panic. This is just macOS keeping things ready for you in the background. It is faster, smarter, and way more efficient than it looks. If this helped clear up the mystery, hit the like button and subscribe for more such videos.